Hello and welcome back to Tots and Moms. Today I'm going to share with you what I make for breakfast for Vihan. Every day giving him the porridge will make it boring for the kids also, and even for the parents to make the same thing every day. So why not bring a variation in the breakfast that we make for our kids? So that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. Today, instead of giving Vihan oats porridge, I'm going to make oats and banana pancakes for him. Let's see how to do that. Okay, so let's get started. Let's look at what the ingredients are going to be to make banana oats pancakes. First of all, I've taken half a cup of milk. I've taken bananas. Now I'm using elaichi bananas because elaichi bananas are much better for kids than the long bananas. I've taken honey because we'll add just a teaspoon or tablespoon of honey for little sweetness. I've taken oats powder over here. Now I've already grinded the oats and stored this oats powder in an airtight container because it always comes handy for making breakfast. Then I've taken dry fruits powder. Now this is also made at home. I have used almonds and walnuts for this powder. And now, so that's about the ingredients. Let's start with making the mixture for the pancakes. So I've taken a container over here and I'm going to take just a single banana, peel it off, okay, and depending on how many pancakes you want to make, you are going to take the oats powder. So I'm taking 4 tablespoons of oats powder. Then I'm going to take the dry fruits powder. So I'm taking the dry fruits powder now. I'll just take 1 full tablespoon of it. That's sufficient. Then I'm going to take a little bit of honey. This would be approximately 1 tablespoon of honey. And then I'm going to add, now before adding milk, I would suggest that you mash the banana, because once you add the milk, it will be difficult to mash the banana completely. So first I would suggest mash the banana. Get it completely mashed. Now I've added the milk to it after mashing the banana fully, and just mix it all together and bring all the ingredients together. Now if you want, you can also add some cardamom powder to it just to give a rich taste to the pancakes. If you find any lumps in the mixture of the banana, just go ahead and clear those lumps, because then it will become more smooth and the pancakes will not have any lumps in it. Keep whisking it till the time all the ingredients come together. This is a very healthy breakfast alternative for the kids, and even they enjoy having pancakes, because it would be really boring to have something which is pasty and watery and the same texture, same color almost every day. So this would be a good different variation to the routine breakfast that the kids have. That's it, and see, that's the kind of consistency we need for the pancake. Lovely. Let's get started on making the pancakes now. There we go. Our mixture is ready now. As you can see the consistency that I was talking about. And for greasing the pan, I'm not going to use oil because it's for Vihan. So I'll be using my organic ghee for greasing. And the pan is getting hot over there. I'm going to pour in the first pancake. There, our first pancake is already on the pan, getting ready. It's getting cooked now. You can see the ghee will give a nice flavor, as well as it will be perfectly healthy for the child. As we all know that oats make a perfect breakfast for the kids and even for the adults, because it has got highly nutritional value, and it's a very good fiber, helps in digestion. So it's a must include breakfast in everyday diet, not just for kids but also for the adults. Now before we flip this pancake, let's just add a dollop of ghee. It doesn't stick, and after flipping it will smoothly come out once it's ready. Moment of truth. Let's see. Oh lovely, it's not sticking. And I'm going to flip it. After flipping, look at it, just so beautiful. The pancake is ready. It is fully cooked, as you can see. Let's take it out. There we are. So beautiful, isn't it? So take a quick recap of the ingredients, and the process is there for you to watch in the video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. With all your heart, spread the love. Thank you. Have a nice day.